Hi guys, I'm Kate, and this is the second generation M18 fuel deep cut bandsaw. So when we were looking at the space, we wanted to see something that was more ergonomic and easier to use than our previous generation, which is why we made this 3 pounds lighter, making it the fastest deep cut on the market. It's faster in cuts, all while remaining the same great runtime. It has an easier to use handle with mode select to go from 1, 2, and 3, making that cut experience a lot more easier, especially if you're doing overhand.